Did you know that Project Management Institute expects 22 million new job openings in project management field by year 2027? Hi, my name is Peter Sidorenko and I will be your host in the course Project Management in Engineering. I am certified Scrum Master, I am certified Project Manager. In addition, I hold European Master degree in Project Manager from Dortmund University. Let me give you a quick story. So let's assume a company decides to launch software implementation project. And for this reason they hire project manager. The budget of this project is 1 million euros and the time 12 months. So after starting the project, after 2 weeks, project sponsor comes to project manager and asks, how many lines of code are written? The answer is none. However, all project goals are defined and aligned with stakeholders. After 2 additional weeks, the same question is raised and the same answer, none. However, the project scope is defined and aligned and project risks are identified and assigned to responsible persons. At the end of the day, the project was delivered both on time, on money and on quality. And PM threw a party to celebrate the success. And of course, project sponsor was invited as well. He came and thanked everyone for the effort. Later he came to the project manager and said, I am very happy with the end result. However, I think we were able to deliver the project even earlier if we would cut all those unnecessary things in the beginning of the project. Sad, common misconception about project management. During the course, I will give you the correct view both on projects and project management. I will teach you how to distinguish projects from other initiatives. I will give you the connection between projects and other processes such as program, product and portfolio management. I will teach you how to deliver projects on agreed constraints such as time, money and quality. And finally, I will teach you how to work in current pandemic, how to focus on risk management, how to focus on managing remote teams, and how to facilitate online workshops. Did I get your attention? Then see you in class.
Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about Vidzem University of Applied Sciences, subscribe to our channel and look for more information in video description.